How to fix the randomly shuts off issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all, check your volume and power keys. So if there is dust or anything else stuck in between the keys, then clean it up. And after cleaning the keys, the shuts off issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after cleaning the volume and side power keys, then the next solution to fix this issue is open settings. Now scroll down and here click on accessibility features. Now in accessibility features, tap on scheduled power on or off, and from here if you have enabled scheduled power on off, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off this button, it will help you to fix the randomly shuts off issue. So after doing this, if you are still facing the same shuts off issue, then the last solution to fix this issue is open settings again. Scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now click on reset network settings, and then again click on this reset network settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. And after that, it will reset all your network settings, including your SIM card settings, Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. So tap on this option, and after that the randomly shuts off issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the randomly shuts off issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.